Hello, I'm Ortal from Thursday afternoon, and today we will talk about the research Neurobiologically Informed Perspective on Psychotherapy by Glenn Goddard. The research question is how psychotherapy affects the brain. The research is an overview which summarizes the influence of the environment in the one hand and the genes on the other hand on the brain. The research aim is to prove that psychotherapy affects the brain in the same way that drugs affect the brain. Psychiatric research on the brain shows that hereditary tendencies does not always express in mental illness. Moreover, it has been found that hereditary tendencies must interact with environment ones in order to cause psychiatric illness. Kendall's research proves that if you give psychotherapy or if you give drugs, the synaptic connections changes in the same way, and it doesn't matter how you do that. In a classic research brought in this article, we see that supermother can make changes in the attachment type only by caregiving. This proves that psychotherapy alone can make changes in the behavior. Until now, I talked about things that have been done on animals, but now I want to talk about an experiment that has been done on not animals, on human beings. In another research, it has been shown that OCD patients that have been treated by psychotherapy or by medicine had the same decrease in metabolism in the area of the right caudate. It has been proved that brain reacts through changing the phenotype of the gene. In addition, the influence of psychotherapy on the brain is definitely measurable. Now we will sum up the results. First, the brain and the implicit memory can change by psychotherapy intervention. Second, medicines has psychological influence in addition to their effect on the brain. On the other hand, we cannot deduce that there is no need in medical interventions or that psychotherapy can be substitute treatment alone. But a new approach is the combination of these both in order to give a better treatment to all the disorders that we've got. The recent progress on brain science has brought us into a thorough insight about psychotherapy and brain functions. Compared to other body organs, the brain is very flexible, things which enable us to make a dramatic change in behavior. This revolutionary article has brought into mind in the first time the idea of the combination, thus enabled to research the influence of the psychotherapy on the brain. Moreover, it had legitimate psychotherapy as a treatment method for the first time, like, a proved one. First, the research is based on others' researches in fields that requires more deeply and supportive research. Moreover, the research is based on small samples, which lowers the reliability of the results. Finally, you cannot say for certain what affected, if it was only the treatment, the psychotherapy treatment, or it was the medicine, or the combination of the two. Thus, the research wasn't so clean.